Alright, so through many years, of plastic surgery, I finally got my arm back, my face is deformed. No longer! Let's go! Today, we're gonna be talking about demolition. I've already taken out half this guy's house. He won't even know what's gonna happen. No! You know what? You know what? Why do you get to kill trees? Huh? And I'm not.
I can do it.
Only you, huh?
My forest.
No! No! Oh my foot! Not again! Oh! Oh! Oh God! Oh my! That's what! Oh! Oh God! Oh! 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 That was a... What was... Oh! Oh! You bastard! Oh.
Well, so they finally got rid of him.
I'll never die.
Fuck.
I'll never